Home can be many places, and home can be Venice, Seoul, London. So my name is Koo Jeong A. I'm an artist. I live and work everywhere because I have a project in many places, different cities, countries. So I determined to be part of my life. It means you go where you have a project, you work, but we also have the conversation with the locations in the site where you place your project. And this is part of the living everywhere. Home, you need to be energized, inspired, nurture. Right now, I'm in Venice, and this is home where I have my routine and also the ritual and the celebrations, disciplines. I'm making many different art, like site-specific, and then sculpture, painting, drawing, photograph, animations, film, sound, sense. My definition of art, it is about the junction where you transform yourself into something. When you're born, you first made your cell and then duplicate, become a human. Same for art, you made your story, then this story coming different story, and in the end we can build a real world. Do you know? In the Korean Pavilion, in the Venice Biennale in Giardini, is a massive project. We collaborated with unknown people, Korean or non-Korean, who collect the storytelling, the same storytelling about Korea to portray our peninsula. I also wanted to speak about that idea of send the connection of unexpected linked in the brain. We asked, what is your Sen memory of Korea? There was a very simple question, and you can apply with a QR code. So we did it online through Instagram or the other social media. Also, we have a very big screening in the Samsung역 in Korea. At the beginning, we wanted to only collect it through the Korean, because we have a division of the country, South Korea, North Korea. So challenge would be, we thought the challenge would be collecting the the sand stories from North Korean. But actually, to portray the Korean Peninsula, it was so narrow, and also it was very limited to keep only Korean South and North Korea. So we expanded the idea of the nation. So we involve all the Korean or non-Korean who spent the time in Korea, and also who was in Korea to work for a while, or for the business trip or scholar the travel journey. That's how we started to open call. So yes, 600 storytelling we collected. They describe long stories about who was there in the which location was there, what kind of location it was. You know, the people really remember the smell of rice and the fish markets. Example, also scent of jindale, the rose flower over the mountains without the leaves before they blossom. I mean, I didn't know there is a scent, but the people who were living in their environment, they remember because it blossoms suddenly and goes away. So they remember that scent, they describe this. And some of guy also describe the sour cream donuts he or she was eating in Canada, and that reminds this person Korea. So this also kind of very interesting the connection. There is also description of fog, description of the sun and the snow, very abstract in the incredible connection between all the materials. And there is also very surprising scene like the dying cell smell. Because this guy was jumping into grandparents' house, and when they get there and they jumping into grandparents' chest to joy, explosion of joy, but there was always this particular smell. They said they realized it was the smell of the dying cell. I know the smell. You know? We discuss in team how to portray Korean Peninsula, so we cannot only portray with industrialization or the K-pop or things like this. So we discuss what kind of material would be better to select as a words. Sí. So 17 cent we made, but we make 1 cent to portray Korean Peninsula. That is accessible and wearable for over your body. ODORAMA CITIES it's a portrait of Korean Peninsula. We made of wood hint mixed of other element. Other 16 cent, we just make to experience the area of the Korea or the connection with Korea. I think the particle have a very different speed. There are fast and slow speed. They would come from higher ceiling or lower. So we will see how the people discover these multiple spaces. I wanted to portray the Korean Peninsula with only with a smell, and then also I would like to speak about our reality and promote some some new meaningful way of live together in the future.